Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to install the Nerf bars on this quads. This is a 2005 Yamaha YFZ 450. It's pretty clean. I got it a few months ago. I rode it a couple of times, so I just decided to get the Nerf bars and just get them installed. So this is what I got. I ordered them online. I bought them on eBay for like 45 bucks, shipped. I know they're not the Tasks or the one of those fancy brands. So I got this ones. I think they'll do the job. So I already did the most difficult part, which is getting the nets through all the holes. So unfortunately on this one, I had to kind of pull the top holes with a screwdriver just to make it a little bit wider, because it was really hard. It was a real pain in the neck to get the webs or the nets like through it, because you have to loop it and then go down and then go back up, and you have to get it down there. So it was really hard. So I finally decided to just use the screwdriver and open it up a little bit more. And I was able to do it. Okay, so I got the hardest part done. I'm gonna show you how to install it. This is everything that comes with the kit. Has all the screws that you need, or the bolts. And this is where we're gonna use to mount into the frame of the quad. And then this is gonna go on the foot peg right there. Okay, so I'll get the tools that you need is the ratchet, 12mm socket, and just probably one of these ones, 12mm as well. And all right, let's get it going. Okay, so the first thing that we have to do is we're gonna have to remove this screw right here, this bolt. Okay, is the one on the bottom. Okay, right here. We're gonna have to get it loose, take it out, and then we're gonna install the bars, and then we're gonna mount it on this holes right here, and then use this one. It's gonna go right here. Okay, so let me get the screw out. Okay, easy peasy. Then we'll grab one of the long screws or the bolts. This is one of the flat washers, one of the spacers, and one of the nuts. Okay, and then we're just gonna feed it through like here. Okay, and then goes the spacer. And then finally, this nut is the one that we're gonna use on the back end, okay? So let's get that. Okay. I guess we're gonna have to need use the ratchet. All right, don't tie it yet. Let's see where we're gonna have to adjust it. So let's grab the bar, and it has to go like this. Okay, so because we're gonna have to flip the whole thing, let's get it loose a little bit more. So it goes right here. This one goes through. And then see, we have to get it loose so that way we can wiggle this and then just kind of play with it. So on this one, now we're just going to use one of the short screw or the bolts. Okay. All right, same thing. The screw. I'm gonna start with that side over there. Okay, and same thing on this one. Now we'll use the this one right here. There you go. Then we're gonna tighten it up. All right, for the knots, seems like we're gonna need a 13 millimeters instead of the 12. So let me go grab it. I'll be right back. Okay, there you go. Okay, see how it's aligning itself? Make sure those are really, really tight, because they, you know, over time they get loose with the vibration of the engine. So that should do it. Okay. Now I guess we can do the same thing with this one. All right. All right. Looks good. Now we'll do the same thing on the other side. Okay, now we do the same thing on the other side. Same process. Remove the screw on the bottom. Now we grab this one right here, and the same process. Alright, the bolt, the washer, then the bracket, and the spacer on the back. Alright, same thing. Okay. Now let's get the the other bolts ready. Okay. Same thing, bolt, washer. And 2 nuts. Okay. Same steps. Fit it through. Align them with the holes right here. And we start with this one over here. There you go. Same thing on the other side. Sorry. Okay, same process. We start with this one. 30 millimeters key on the back. This one. There you go. All right, so as you can see, they're all ready to go. Process is quite simple. All right, they don't look that bad. I think for 45 bucks, it was not a bad deal. I'm gonna post the link where I got them from on the description below. So in case you guys are interested, you guys can order the same ones. Okay. All right, that's it, guys. I hope you guys like this video and it helps. All right, see you later. Bye.